Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our latest episode. And in this episode, I talk about why hustle and grind is so important for your life and for your business. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the show. I would like to say first off to everyone that is currently listening, Happy New Year. It's 2022, and hopefully everyone had a good New Year. In this episode, I wanted to talk to you guys about the 3x3 CEO matrix, which a lot of people don't talk about nowadays. They just think it's the CEO that is, handling all of the work. Is the top boss that's always handling all of the work. But that isn't necessarily true. You have the visionary, which is a person that is envisioning the business and what the business should be. You then have that same person, but as the builder. So there's a shift in dynamic. There's a shift where it goes from you being the visionary, what you envision your business to be, to actually building that franchise, building that company, building the small business that you've always dreamed of, building, let's just call this a lemonade stand. If you're pretty young, if you're like maybe 5, 6, or in your 30s and 40s, or even older, you have to have that vision of what you want your what you want your business to be about. And step 2, you are also the builder of that. How are you going to build that business? How are you going to put operations into place? How are you going to start to influence your customers, influence your employees, build relationships with your employees, build trust with your employees, build rapport with your customers, get them to trust you, get them to, buy your products and services or whatever you're selling in that particular point. And it's very astounding to me that as a builder, you know what to expect. And then once you build that, the third step is the operator. So you as the operator now are fully in charge of whatever it is that you have, whether it's a lemonade stand, whether it's a small business, whether it's a Fortune 500 company, whether it's just a normal company that you're the CEO of. So this 3x3 method really helps for you to understand what your goal is and what you want to do. So just remember, you're the visionary. So you have to come up with the vision for your business, what you want your business to look like, whether you're in 2021 2022 or 2030, what you want your business to look like. And the second would be the builder CEO. You have to start building that, whether it's a lemonade stand, whether it's a Fortune 500 company, whether it's a small business, whether it's a medium-sized business or a large one, or a Fortune 500 company like JetBlue or American Airlines or Delta. You have to build that. And step 3 would be the operation side of it, the day-to-day things you have to do in your business. So it's very important that you have all 3 steps as a CEO down, so you know where you stand as a CEO, whether you're the visionary, whether you're the builder of that business, or whether you're the visionary of the business, the visionary of the business, whether you're the builder of that business, or whether you're the operator of that business. So you have to have all 3 of these intact and side by side with one another to help your business grow, to help it flourish, to help it gain traffic, to understand how a business works from the inside. So that is the 3x3 method. And if this helps, feel free to let me know on Twitter. You can hit me up on LinkedIn and let me know your thoughts. Feel free to leave a comment or on one of our listening platforms. And yeah, just remember, guys, to use this 3x3 method if you're a business owner, CEO, executive, or some high level staff. All right. Once again, guys, I just want to wish you a happy 2022. Do awesome things in your business and be successful, be good, and strive for the best. I will see you guys in the next episode. Hey guys, thanks for listening to our latest episode. If you guys want to know more and you guys want to hear future episodes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Add us to your favorite podcast, and be sure to leave us a message, leave us a review, and we'll pump out more content to you guys. So I just want to thank you guys for listening, and we'll see you guys on future episodes.